Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Today, we will be making this cute bathroom printable using PicMonkey. I will walk you through the steps so you can create your own printables. If you want to take the easy route, sign up for my email list to get this printable and others absolutely free. The first thing you want to do is go to PicMonkey.com. Now you want to click on Create New and Blank Canvas. Scroll down until you see print sizes. Here you will choose 8 by 10 to create our canvas. Once you have created your canvas, you are now ready to add your text. Going to click Text in the left-hand column, Add Text. Now we're going to choose our type font. And on this one, I use the Playfair. I'm going to align it all to the left. And I'm going to type out our printable. Now I'm going to resize it by simply pulling and dragging for it to fit on the page. I align it the way that I want. Then you're going to go and download it. And save it in the folder you wish to save it in. Now you just go to the folder where you saved your printable at and double click on it. This brings up your photos. All you simply have to do from here is go to Print, select your printer, and print it. Your printable is done. Okay guys, now that you have your printable printed on whatever type of paper, color that you want, you just need to find a frame that's really close to the size. So I have got this old frame. And what I do is I will take the glass part out. Position it on the paper where I want to cut. And I know you can just cut around it, but I don't trust myself doing that. So I'm just going to get a pencil. Just put a light line around where I want to cut. Get my scissors. And try to make as straight of a cut as possible. And knowing me, it won't be. Now all that I did was cut this out on just computer paper. So you see how flimsy it is. You can do it on cardstock, make it a little stiffer. Make sure you sign up for my email list and you will be able to access all the printables that I do for free. Okay, so now that we've got that, we're going to put our glass back in. Put our print in. We're going to attempt to get this back on. I have trouble with this back all the time. I just can't seem to get it to fit in. Okay. It's still not in there right, but for the video purposes, this is what you come up with. See, now that would look amazing in a bathroom. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and keep on crafting.